Hello my dear artists. So I'm here, my name is Julia, and today we will prepare for the portrait painting. We will paint this beautiful girl. Ta-da! Her name is also Julia. Amazing name, isn't it? She's a model from Warsaw. And I'm showing you today my color choices, because this portrait, it's very unusual technique. I'm using water-soluble oils from Renaissance. It's called Hydr-Oil. So first layer, it will be totally in watercolor technique. It will be transparent, very thin layer, very wet layer. We will use a lot of water because we can do it. And second layer, it will be a lot of brush strokes, it will be a lot of accents and adjustments. And now it's almost dry. I need 1 month, and I will cover it with varnish. Maybe, but better wait for half year, as usually. So, yes. First part of this tutorial you can find on my Patreon. I'm showing how to sketch this portrait, how to transfer it to the canvas. And second part is here. In a few minutes you can check my color choices, my brushes, the palette which I choose, all stuff which I'm going to use. And third part you can also find on my Patreon. It's 1 hour and a half of painting this beautiful girl with Hydr-Oil. So thank you for watching. Let's check all my materials list. So let me show you what I'm going to use today. And first it's canvas, it's some kind of cotton on cardboard. And sure, I already made a pencil sketch. You can check it on my Patreon. How to make a pencil sketch, how to transfer it to the canvas to have a clean, beautiful outline. And next thing, it's more important, is brushes. For the first stage, very wet stage, I will use traditional watercolor brushes, different sizes. It's very fluffy, it's for the details, it's for the huge fills. And for the oil stage, I will use classical Bristol, but it's synthetic Bristol, different sizes from the smallest to widest. It's pretty enough. Sure, I need palette knife to mix paints, and also I will use the paint medium for Hydr-Oil. It provides very comfortable using, flowing for oil stage of painting. Sure, I will use water as basic solvent because it's Hydr-Oil, and I will need a small glass for the medium. And finally, I'm going to use Hydr-Oil. So let's start. It's number 2, titanium white. Also, I'm using the plexiglass, transparent, for mixing and using paints. And paper under, just letting you see the color which I'm going to use. I don't need big amounts, I'm using just a small drops. It's number 2, titanium white by Renaissance. Second color I will use Naples yellow rose. It's number 6. Just a small amount. I love to use pre-mixed colors because I'm sometimes lazy to mix it by myself. Next color, it will be Persian rose, number 21. It's pale pink. Small drop here. Next color, it's yellow ochre, number 44. It's monopigment, it's very classical color. I love not very strong earth pigments. Mars orange, 46. This color mostly for hair, for skin. And next, cadmium red pale, number 15. I don't need it a lot. It's mostly for the lips. And finally, I'm moving for more complicated shades. It's mostly for the backgrounds. It's cobalt turquoise, number 28. And this one is Payne's Gray, 53. It's classical shades of dark color. It's some kind of very, very dark blue. And the last one, Van Dyke Brown. It's 52. I'm using my teeth. I'm sorry to open the paint tube. Voila, we are prepared and we are ready to start. So I'm waiting for you on my Patreon page for the final stage of this portrait, for the oil stage. See you!